Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest trends and ideas for home decorations. Today, in this video, we are going to share winter decorating ideas for living room. We bring you the latest and inspiring ideas that can enhance the overall look and feel of your house. Try out these ideas to turn your space into a comforting retreat for the winter months. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified.